Amazing Science and Inventions. Part 6, Telescope, Microscope, and Submarine. Hello, explorers. Get ready for an amazing journey into science. We will look at faraway stars with a telescope. We'll see tiny worlds with a microscope. And we'll dive deep into the ocean in a submarine. These wonderful inventions help us see places we could never reach on our own. A long, long time ago, people could only look at the night sky with their eyes. Then, a special tool called the telescope was invented. With a telescope, we can see stars, planets, and the moon up close. It's like having super eyes for looking at space and discovering its secrets. Did you know the first telescope was used in the 1600s? A famous scientist named Galileo used it to discover moons around Jupiter. Today, giant telescopes are so powerful they can see galaxies that are very, very far away. They help us understand the huge universe we live in. What if we could see things that are too small for our eyes? With a microscope, we can. It makes tiny things look big and clear. We can see the little cells in a leaf or the tiny germs that can make us sick. It's a secret world made visible. Microscopes were also invented in the 1600s. They help scientists discover tiny living things called bacteria. Today, we use them in science labs, hospitals, and even in school. They help doctors keep us healthy and help us learn about the world. The ocean is deep and full of wonders. How can we explore it? In a submarine. A submarine can dive way down under the water, keeping people safe inside. It allows us to discover amazing sea creatures and find old, sunken shipwrecks from long ago. The first submarines were built a long, long time ago, in the 1600s. Modern submarines can go to the deepest parts of the ocean where there is no light. They are used for scientific research, for travel, and to help keep our oceans safe. Telescopes, microscopes, and submarines are all amazing tools for exploring. One looks far out into space. One looks deep into the tiny world around us, and one dives deep into the ocean. They all help us learn new things and spark our curiosity to ask new questions. These inventions teach us important lessons. The telescope teaches us to dream big and look far. The microscope shows us that even the smallest things are important. The submarine proves there are always new worlds to discover. Exploration is the key to learning. The big, small, and deep worlds are full of mysteries. Are you ready to explore even more with your imagination? Authored by CloudNine Stories.